In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a standard personal photo into a polished, surreal masterpiece using the power of Google Gemini and Nano Banana. We are moving from frustrated beginner to confident creator in under 10 minutes. To pull this off, we're using two specific AI powerhouses. Think of Google Gemini as your creative director. It understands your photos and follows complex instructions. Nano Banana is your high-end lens and lighting crew, specializing in hyper-realistic textures and artistic flair. Together, they do the heavy lifting. First, go to Google Gemini and select the Create Image option. Ignore all the options that come up. Instead, first upload a headshot of yours, then enter the following prompt. A vibrant, playful tiny planet photograph showing a smiling woman, her face closer to the camera, standing in shallow, crystal-clear water near the beach. She is wearing a bikini and giving a peace sign with her right hand, radiating joy. The other hand can be seen holding a selfie stick rod, and the POV is through the camera lens. The golden sandy shoreline curves perfectly around, the top lined with tall, lush palm trees under a bright blue sky. The sun shines brightly above, casting a warm glow and reflections in the rippling water. The scene feels adventurous, cheerful, and surreal, with the fisheye perspective making the world look like a small, round, tropical planet. Aspect ratio 16:9. Click Enter. Now, why does this work? Most beginners mess this part up by being too vague. This prompt works because it defines the lens, which is that fisheye tiny planet look, and it defines the lighting, calling for that specific golden sun and reflections. It's not just asking for a beach photo, it's building a world. Incredible! You started with a standard headshot and ended with a piece of photography that looks like it was shot on a $2,000 fisheye lens. You didn't touch a single slider or adjustment brush. A common mistake I see is people forgetting to mention the POV or point of view. Without telling the AI that the subject is holding a selfie stick or looking at the lens, the composition can feel detached. By including those details, you make the photo feel personal and immersive, like a real memory, only better. If you want to become an AI-powered creator, take that prompt, head over to Gemini, and see what kind of world you can build around your favorite memories. If this blew your mind, hit subscribe and drop a comment. What's the one photo in your gallery that needs this tiny planet treatment? I'll see you in the next video.